Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to remove the footer from your MailChimp email design. If you've ever wanted a cleaner look for your newsletters, or maybe you want to customize that bottom section outside of MailChimp's default, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take control of your email design and make your campaigns look just the way you want. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll want to head over to your MailChimp account and open up the email design that you want to edit. Now, if you're new to MailChimp's layout, don't worry. It's laid out kind of like a visual playground where every section is divided into blocks. You've got your header at the top, your main message in the middle, and then, usually down at the very bottom, there's that familiar footer block. It's the part that often has things like your company's address, maybe some links to unsubscribe or social media buttons. Sometimes that default footer doesn't quite match your style, or maybe you want to remove it temporarily for a draft. Whatever your reason, let's keep moving. Once you're looking at your email campaign in the MailChimp editor, simply scroll down to the bottom to spot the footer section. It usually stands out thanks to a gray or white background depending on your template. Hover your mouse over that footer area, MailChimp will highlight the block for you. Now just click to select it. You'll notice that as soon as it's selected, a small menu will usually pop up. In MailChimp's drag-and-drop editor, every section works like a Lego block, so if you decide you don't need it, you can simply remove it. Look for the little trash can icon or sometimes just the word delete. Go ahead and click it. Now, deleting a block in MailChimp is designed to be very straightforward, but here's something important to keep in mind. Footers often contain legally required information like your business address or unsubscribe links. So MailChimp may prompt you with a warning. Don't panic if you see a notification. MailChimp just wants to make sure you're not accidentally removing something essential. If you're just experimenting or replacing it with your own custom footer elsewhere, you can confirm and proceed. Otherwise, let's think about why you're deleting it. Sometimes you might just want to edit the footer's contents, not remove it entirely. Once you hit delete, that footer block will vanish from your design. Take a moment here, look over your email layout and see how it feels without that section. Sometimes a quick refresh is all your campaign needs to look sharp and professional. And that's really all there is to it. You've now taken full control over your MailChimp footer, customizing your design in just a couple of clicks. If this walkthrough helped you, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. Got any questions or want more tips for customizing your email campaigns? Drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm happy to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.